friends, and welcome back to Playgarden Prep Online. My name is Miss Canitra, and today we will be learning letter W, words in Spanish en español. Now, I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. First up, we have 2 fingers and a drum roll, please. Please drum with me at home. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon starts with the letter W. And watermelon in Spanish is sandía. Sandía. Watermelon in Spanish is sandía. Watermelon in Spanish is sandía. Watermelons are green and red fruit. Watermelon in Spanish is sandía. Watermelon, o en español, sandía. Next up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Worm. Worm. Worm starts with the letter W. And worm in Spanish is gusano. Gusano. Your turn. Gusano. Worm in Spanish is gusano. Worm in Spanish is gusano. Worms are squishy animals. Worm in Spanish is gusano. Worm. O en español, gusano. Good job, friends. And last up we have 2 more fingers and a drum roll, please. Walrus. Walrus. Walrus starts with the letter W. And walrus in Spanish is morsa. Morsa. Your turn. Morsa. Walrus in Spanish is morsa. Walrus in Spanish is morsa. Walruses have 2 long tongues. Walrus in Spanish is morsa. Walrus. O en español, morsa. Wow, friends, we learned, let's check. 1, 2, 3. O en español, 1, 2, 3 palabras today. Let's review. Watermelon. O en español, sandía. Watermelons are green and red fruit. Worm. O en español, gusano. Worms are squishy animals. They also have very loose invertebrates. Walrus. O en español, morso. Walruses have 2 long tusks. Thank you so much, friends, for learning and speaking Spanish with me today. Adios, hasta la vista, and I'll see you next time.